Introducing Epson's new EBPU 1000 series projectors and the EBPU 2010 projector. These powerful projectors are part of Epson's most compact, interchangeable lens laser projectors, and now even brighter. With an expanded range of model options, get larger-than-life images with up to 10,000 lumens of color brightness and 10,000 lumens of white brightness in the same compact cabinet. In fact, the EBPU 2010 projector is the world's smallest and lightest 10,000 lumen projector. These 3-chip 3 LCD projectors feature a virtually maintenance-free 20,000-hour laser light source and air filter. Plus, it has native WUXGA with 4K enhancement technology and a high native contrast ratio for crystal clear, lifelike images. 4K enhancement accepts 4K content and provides up to 4.6 million pixels on screen, so you feel like you're right in the action. These projectors offer 11 optional interchangeable lenses with powered lens shift and lens memory, including an ultra-short throw lens with 0 offset. Additionally, with their compact size, you have more options for permanent installation with full 360-degree mounting. And a clip-on optional external camera provides access to powerful automated tools, including auto color calibration, screen matching of multiple projectors, tiling assist for edge blends, and the stacking assist tool. A built-in NFC function is available with these projectors to help reduce the time to install and commission multiple projectors. You can read and write settings with Epson's NFC app while the projector is still in its shipping carton. A wide lens shift and versatile connectivity including DVI, SDI, HD-Base-T, and HDMI inputs. Access built-in warping and edge blending capabilities from the projector on screen or via software to streamline setup of multiple networked Epson projectors. Epson's Pro Series 6000 to 10,000 lumen projectors are powerful, compact, and have an uncompromising image quality. Epson, exceed your vision.